unpack the box and familiarise yourself with all the components. Ensure you have all the required plumbing fittings to complete the installation. During assembly, cleanliness is paramount. Ensure that you wash your hands thoroughly prior to assembly. Isolate and turn off the water supply to the cold water pipe that feeds the existing tap. Open the existing tap or faucet to relieve any remaining water pressure. Position a container below the desired position for the T-piece valve to catch any spills. Cut into the cold water supply pipe that goes to the existing tap or faucet and install a T-piece valve. The valve will be the feed to the new filter housing unit. You will need to use push-fit connectors that can be screwed into the 1/2-inch BSP housing inlet and outlet points and tightened. In the unlikely event of a leak, please use PTFE tape on the John Guest fittings. Attach the blue filter housing bracket to a suitable vertical surface under the sink, using appropriate screws for the substrate. Screw the housing head to the brackets using the 4 Phillips screws supplied. Use the filter housing ring spanner provided to check that the housing base is tight to the housing head. Cut the 3/8 plastic piping into 2 lengths. Push one length of the 3/8 pipe into the T-piece valve push-fit outlet and the other end into the push-fit connector in the inlet of the housing. Push one end of the second 3/8 pipe into the housing outlet push-fit connector. With the T-piece valve in the off position, open the cold water main supply valve and check for leaks between the T-piece valve and the cold water main supply. Open the T-piece valve and again check for leaks on the outlet of the T-piece valve. If there are no leaks, open the tap or faucet and allow any trapped air to escape. Filtered water should then flow normally. The Max water purifier contains carbon. It is normal to see some dark particles in the water after a new filter is fitted, as the water first passes through it. Run the water for 5 minutes after installing a new filter, and this will clear the particles. We recommend that this filter is replaced every 5 to 6 months, or when the blue ceramic turns to white when cleaning. Remove the filter from the housing by following the install or change your filter instructions. Ensure that you wash your hands thoroughly prior to installing a new filter. Unscrew the filter housing cover from the base using the ring spanner. Empty the filter housing body of water. Carefully remove the filter and put to one side. Check that the black washers at either end of the old filter have been removed. Remove the new replacement filter from its packaging. Fit the black washers supplied with the new filter on each end of the filter. Check that the end of the filter with the hole in it is facing upwards. Lower the filter into the housing cover. Using the filter ring spanner, tighten the housing cover to the base. If after usage the flow rate falls, it may be possible to extend the life of your filter and improve the flow rate. Before cleaning, ensure that the cleaning water doesn't enter the filter outlet hole. Carefully clean the outer surface of the filter lightly with a scouring pad under cold running water. The Max water purifier ceramic colour will change from blue to white when it's time to change the filter. We hope you enjoy your filtered water.